What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm guys. Ito yung kanilang cover song, pinakabagong cover song guys na You're So Vain. Ayan, napakagandang awitin nito guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Son of a gun. Ang lutong ng tunog ng bass ni Tatay Franz, no? Angas na intro, may bagsakan kagad. Galing.
Like you're walking onto a yacht. You have strategically dipped below an...
Ayan, pansin ko, meron din silang bago yung setup ng kanilang camera, ano? Meron silang ibang angulo ngayon.
Your scarf, it was apricot. One eye in the mirror as you watch yourself goodbye, and all the girls dream that they...
Parang bago na naman yung ano, no? Keyboard ni Char.
They'd be a partner, they'd be a partner, and you're so vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain.
Napaka-talented talaga ni Char, ano? Akala mo kumakanta na siya, tas dalawang keyboard yung kanyang tinutugtog.
I bet you think this song is about you, don't you, don't you? You had me several years ago. I was still quite naive when you said we made such a pretty babe, and that you would never...
Sarap sa tenga ng tunog ng electric guitar ni Master Chen, ano? Pang-rock talaga yung tunog. Bigat.
Gave away the things you love, and one of them was me. I had some dreams, they were clouds in my coffee, clouds in my coffee, and you're so vain.
Ayan na guys, yung malupit nilang harmony. Tatak Franz Rhythm.
You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song...
Gusto ko yun, yung second voice ni Master Chen. Ang tinis ng boses, ano?
It's about you, don't you, don't you?
Ayan guys, showtime na naman. Showtime ni Master Chen. Mas ang ganda ng tunog ng gitara, parang nagdodoble yung tunog. Galing na yung ginawa ni Char na yan. Timing sila ni Dudes.
You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. Don't you, don't you? I hear you wait.
Parang ang hirap kantahin ito, no? Itong kanta na to. Pero si Char talagang lang napaka-smooth lang sa kanya.
The Saratoga, your heart's naturally warm. Then you flew your Learjet up to Nova Scotia to see the...
Gandang-ganda talaga ako doon sa keyboard ni Char. Ano lang, manipis lang siya. Hindi kalakihan pero ang ganda. Ganda pa ng tunog.
Total eclipse of the sun.
You know, narinig niyo yun guys. Yung bass ni Tatay Franz.
all the close friends, wife all the close friends, and you're so vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you.
Ang tinis talaga ng boses ni Chen, ano? Yung second voice niya na yun. Parang falsetto ba yun, guys? Eh, sa ako nakakalam, ha? Kung tama ako, guys, comment nyo lang.
Don't you know?
Ayan, may adlib din si Char dito. Gamit yung keyboard.
You're so vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain.
Ang astig nun, ano? Ang hirap nun, yung mga timing na ganun. Iba, sumasablay sa ganun, pero sila talagang ano talaga, napaka-accurate yung kanilang timing.
Probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. Don't you?
Umiyak pa yung gitara.
Thanks so much for watching.
Grabe, isa na ng mga malupit na cover song ang inihatid sa atin ng paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm, guys. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang kanta, guys. Isa-isayin nyo lang ata, tsak na magugustuhan nyo yan lahat. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.